How do you zoom in on Gmail? So if you find everything being a little bit too small, like all the text here in Gmail, you can easily zoom in your browser, no matter what type of computer you're on. So this is Safari on a Mac, and I could go to this View dropdown, and I can see zoom in and zoom out right here. And the shortcut keys would be Command plus or Command minus. So if I click on this, it'll zoom in a little bit, or if I hit that shortcut key, Command plus, it'll zoom in even more, and minus will zoom me out. Now, that works on any browser here on a Mac, but also, if you're on PC, you can just press the Control key and plus or minus to zoom in and out. But if you're in a different browser, like maybe you're in Chrome on PC, we could go over to Google Chrome, and we'll see here in the upper right 3 dots. And this works in Firefox too. And when we click on those, if we scroll down, we'll see a zoom option. And so you can easily zoom in to any page here in your browser, including Gmail, or zoom out if you need to. And then of course, the shortcut key on Mac is Command plus and minus. And on Windows, that's going to be Control plus and minus. And that's how you can zoom in on Gmail.